Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor Suite Lite. This streamlined application provides a secure and user-friendly way to manage your cryptocurrency. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Trezor hardware wallet, ensuring your private keys remain offline and protected. You can quickly view your portfolio, send and receive various digital assets, and monitor your transaction history with confidence. Let's dive into the essential steps to get you started. First, ensure you download Trezor Suite Lite only from the official Trezor website to avoid any malicious software. Once installed, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer. The software will guide you through the initial setup, including creating a new wallet or recovering an existing one. After setup, the intuitive dashboard allows you to easily view your total portfolio value and quickly access different cryptocurrency accounts. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies is straightforward. To receive funds, simply select the desired asset, and Trezor Suite Lite will display your unique receiving address. Share this address with the sender. When sending, input the recipient's address and the amount. Always double-check these details. Finally, confirm the transaction directly on your Trezor device, adding an essential layer of physical security before it's broadcast to the network. Maintaining the security of your assets is paramount. Regularly update your Trezor device's firmware through Trezor Suite Lite to ensure you have the latest protections. Consider enabling passphrase protection, which adds a hidden wallet, significantly enhancing your security against physical theft or coercion. This feature provides an additional layer of defense for your valuable digital assets. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.